viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And if today is your first time, you're coming here, I say very big welcome to you. See, the truth is sometimes people overreact, towards some situation when you find yourself. If you find yourself like you're having problems on your skin, you don't need to be panicking. You don't need to how will I do this, how will I fight it over. You don't need to even just calm down, relax, meet the right skin gurus and let it put you through. Okay, that is no matter what the situation is, no matter the white patches, stretch mark, dark spot or knuckles, just name them. All right, it's one that can be solved. Don't overreact. It can be solved. So because I always tell you, a problem shares a problem, solved. If you told me about it, then you see. So as a matter of fact, the truth is, let me put it this way: we have different type of oils. I told you, we have blend pronine oil, which is the latest right now. The way the lotion is latest, the oil is latest also. Are you getting it? And then again, we have shakara oil, we have citrus oil, we have Malawi oil, we have beauty series oil. We have a lot of oil, whitening oils that when you use 100% you see it, or you see a lot of testimony. You might decide not to be using lotion again. Fine, you can use this oil. No, you can use all the oil I just listed. Are you getting it? Oils, you see, they are somehow effective than lotion in very high concentrate. All right, like this one I'm holding now, you can use it to your skin direct. There are some oil that you can't use to your skin direct, but this one you can use it to your skin direct. And if you want to have this 7 shade, that you want to have 7 shade, fine, this is what you can use. We have a lot of products you can use to have 7 shade. These are oils you can use also. So we have a lot of oil, For those of us who say we don't want to use soap again, we don't want to use, if you don't use soap, you must use soap. So, but you don't want to use whitening soap, you don't want to use any of those whitening lotion, but you want to use oil. This is very safe for you, very 100% safe. All right, you want to get those colors, those beautiful tones like Bobrisky. You want to get all beautiful colors, or you want to get like tone to decay. This is what you need. You don't need to beat around the bush that be thinking of, this is what you need. And then again, you have stretch mark. It's really giving you problems, stretch mark, because I know stretch mark can be so embarrassing, So some people, their own are rugged. Are you getting me? Rugged and dogged. But can you stop those whitenings that gave you all that and use treatment oil? That treatment oil, that's a big solution on you this time. That only that will solve it. You can stop it and use that. Are you getting it? Oils that you see, these oils, they help to rejuvenate your skin faster than the lotions. And most when they are concentrate, when they are highly concentrate, it will help you to rejuvenate your skin. A product that doesn't moisturize before it gets you whitening, that is not a product. You should desist from that product. All right, like this oil, first of all, it will moisturize your skin after you must have scrubbed, open all the pores, get them open. Then this oil now, it will moisturize your skin, then tone you up. Just wonderful. It will tone you up, and when it tone you up, you become lightning. From lightning, you become white. Sharp white. This side of oil just okay for you, and you don't need. And then again, when I try to make all my customers to get good product like that, when I come, they come, they come price a lot of grief this, grief that. If not agree on those, why you not go they use all those when they continue to give you white patches? Sometimes we should be honest. Some product you see, they give you side effect, desist from them and go for original contest, original product. All right. So please don't be part of those bandwagon that always want to put themselves in a low self-esteem, that they they don't think they can use a high, they'll say your product is expensive. I don't think that is your own. You limit yourself. All right. A lady will approach me and say, bro, so can I use this oil and give me what they said? I said, well, he said how much? I told her the price and she got it. Now see the picture. That is the picture you're seeing. All right? See the picture. The truth is, we should learn how to appreciate good product. Not because you be buying from mama side road or papa side road, then you will come to us the global and want to buy from us like that. No, we are top notch. We get class. I can't fly to I can't fly to Thailand. I go get a product confident, cut the seller like roadside. No, you buy in tons or you buy in wholesale. Then you say as retailer, or you be using it gradually. All those I want to buy 100 ml. I don't do 100 ml. All right, it come in 1 liter. 500 I can do. All right, so I appreciate you all. This is the oil that you can use 100% for your skin, and you will be free from all those side effects that you'll be having. It works. This product works. A lot of testimony. You can check our YouTube page, you can check our Instagram or TikTok. It works. All right, so that is more reason that I will urge you, advise you to get the right product for your skin. Don't forget that we've got to blend Pronine oil too, which is the Baba. These are products that you need. All right, we've got to the end of the review about this oil. Do not forget what I've just said, that we ship everywhere. We ship worldwide: US, Canada, Europe, Asia country, UK. We ship everywhere. And if you want us to train you, we train you. Don't be nervous, don't be shy. Yeah, I'm not too small to train you, because I learned from people that are small more than me even. I fly everywhere to go learn, to go take all this study. So don't do like say, I'm into skincare before, I know a lot. I won't just ask you. Don't ask me. If you want me to train you, complain, I will train you. Then pay me. That is it. My product everywhere, and a lot of big brands get my product. Yes, there's no shame in it. It is what it is. So let's be one. Let's be honest. No day they come, they bite, they talk something like, when don't make any sense to us. All right, so bye.